Oh, this is
Yeah, the hook
the
is
first
above our
world we
head,
visit
screwed into the
today.
ceiling.
It's
I'm
a
not on it right
beautiful little
now.
world,
I'm on a
and I
PC
always
right
like to
now.
show
But yeah, the
people
hook is right
a
right
world that's
above,
been
and
done
we actually
entirely
have a
with the
few
alt
hooks
space
on the
world
ceiling
editor.
to kind of
Everything
feed
you
the
see in
wire
here
from the
is
computer
from the alt
so that
space
it
kit,
falls down
and it
to
just
the
goes to show
headset
that
like right
anybody
from
can
the
build a
ceiling,
beautiful little
so
world
that
using the
we
world
can turn
editor.
around and it
This was
doesn't
made by a
twist
friend of
around our
ours called
body.
the
Oh,
Traveller.
what a
He's built
great
lots and lots of
idea. And then you
worlds,
leave a little bit
and
of
this
lab,
was
of
built
course, right?
as a tribute to
Yeah.
his mom.
Same
Okay.
thing with my
Mom's
headset.
garden.
Okay, so if anybody does not know how to fly, come talk to me. Okay, ready? Coolest thing ever. You want to open up your triangle menu, go to settings, third down on the left. So you see general, comfort, and input. Click on input. Take that white button and turn fly on. Close your menu down at the bottom. Now you'll look in the direction you want to fly. There you go. There you go, Ethan. Flying backwards. I love to fly. Go ahead and look around. We're going to spend about 10 minutes here. So I'll put my timer on. Yes. Yes.
What kit is that?
That is, I'm not sure what kit that's in, but I know it's, Daisy would know. Did she come with us? And I bet Darren would know too. Let me try and find them. Is that Darren over there? There's Darren.
What will I know?
Darren, what kit is the clouds that move? That figures. Duh.
So are there others?
This world is by a really prolific world builder called Micah J. He's a brilliant specialist in all this cosmic, weird and wonderful, trippy worlds. And he's really big on physics. So there's all sorts of different areas in this world with an X. And if you stand on the X and wait for a moment, there's something that will lift you up to the next level. And there's about 4 different levels until you get really, really high up into the air. So there's a lot to see in this world. And also you'll find a hub. His hub is in here somewhere. It's called Micah J's Interdimensional Hub. Micah J's hub world is in my hub world. So if anybody wants to see the rest of his worlds, they can go into my hub world and it's there.
It's supposed to be 4 levels. I mean, it must have been about 3 levels at least.
Daisy, can you get up on the very top where it crisscrosses?
I think it's just a matter of walking around and exploring any further X's that you might see.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't think there's any more X's here. I think we're all X'd out. Oh wait, Sherry, you trying to go somewhere? Nope, Sherry's not there. Sherry's avatar's here, but she's not. Oh, there's a thing that goes a little higher. Or lower. No, it goes lower. It brings you up to this level.
Organs.
Oh, Sherry, turn on your megaphone.
Well, I've asked everybody not to turn megaphone.
Okay, well turn it
on.
I'm turning it off then.
I listened, Daisy. I didn't turn mine on.
Just got about just
It disappears. It's like a.
Oh, I love this place. Simon, you can go outside.
This thing.
What is there to do out there?
Well, there's more things to do out there. If you want to just go through this portal, you can always fly back inside.
Okay.
And here to show people where it is.
Keep trying. It keeps
There
moving.
we go. There you go. And it-
Veronica!
Hey, how are you, Jacob?
You can come down here and there's various toys you can play with. This is by a good Australian friend of ours called Wally. He's really come on in leaps and bounds in world building, and he's built this fun place. And then there's all these toys to play with out here, and yeah, it's a fun place. World.
You know, I like bringing people here to these type of worlds because it feels less socially awkward. That when you are around people and you're in worlds with music and vibe, it seems a lot more easier to socialize in virtual reality than being in your own world isolated with someone. So you definitely
that's the good.
you definitely encapsulate that in this world.
Yeah, absolutely. That's why I do the world tours, because not only does it enable for people to get around in Space and see all the great worlds that are available, but as you say, it also brings a group together, and just by sharing an experience like this, you can make friends. And next time you see that person, you've talked to them before, and you know, it's like an introduction.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
great.
mine
You can, this is pretty huge.
Yes, it does.
And it's really fun
Yes,
to
it does.
fly up into this great sculpture there. This was built by the Burning Men people.
This is practically a party, but with no music. I love it.
Yeah, it's,
Music, though.
they had a celebration of Argentinian music, and it was Argentinian music for about 6 hours, all sorts of live performances. It was really
Wow,
good. I was here for about 2 hours.
Oh, I missed it too. I would have liked that.
Yeah,
that would have
it
been
was really good. That's what the big screen is for. They were streaming it.
Oh, wow.
Do you think we could play some more music?
Is that you, Luke? Luke.
Well, welcome to my aquarium, everybody. Thank you so much for coming on the tour today. I'm delighted to see so many of you. It's brilliant to see so many of you in the aquarium. Don't forget to favourite it. You can come here and play music anytime you like. Don't forget to come to the... And there's a special world tour on Saturday, 6 p.m. I think it's 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Yeah, just
So
have a
cool
look
that
for
you're
it
playing
on the world
Like, so awesome.
event. It's on Sunday, it's on Saturday, and it's a really special tour. So I hope you'll join us. Thank you all for coming.
All right.
Yay!
I'm sorry, I can't really
Thank
think.
you, Daisy.
Thanks, Dave.
I can't think for the music.